Hi DIYers, Joe from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to talk about whether or not you can use the GC3 system without alarm.com monitoring. And the good news is that you can. We have a GC3 mounted right up here, and ours is connected. We do have a cellular module inside of it, but the system can be used without monitoring. Now, there aren't many things that you can do with the system without monitoring. Uh, it can be used as a local alarm system, so you can set up in the house, you can put all the sensors up, program them in to the panel, and if somebody breaks into a door or window, or if any of them trigger, the system can sound an alarm. It has a built-in 85 decibel sounder. You can attach wireless sirens to it also, and you can have it work as a local sounding alarm system. Without alarm monitoring, though, there won't be any dispatch, there won't be any central station letting you know that an alarm has gone off, or one that calls the police. You won't have a remote app to notify you, and there really won't be any way that you do know an alarm goes off. Local alarm systems do work in some situations. Some people have a barn or a shutout back that they just want something in there to sound in case something happens. But in your main house, you just want to be aware that if you only have a local alarm system and somebody breaks into the house, if they decide not to leave and you come home, they could still be there, and it could be a very bad situation. You do get a lot of benefits from getting the GC3 monitored with alarm.com. At Alarm Grid, we have two levels of plans. We have self plans and full plans. The biggest difference is that the self plans don't have central station service, whereas the full plans do. Central station is the agency that monitors the signals. So if an alarm signal comes in from alarm.com, they'll begin the dispatch procedure, calling numbers and sending any authorities that are on the setup for that particular account. In most instances, it's the police. Other benefits, though, that you get from having it monitored, whether or not it's on a central stations plan or a self plan, is that you do get access to the alarm.com app. Now, the GC3 system is made by 2GIG, but it's fully compatible with alarm.com. Alarm.com is a great service, and the end user app actually allows you to set up text and email notifications for when stuff happens. This will allow you to get notified if an alarm goes off, even if your system isn't on a plan that has central station service. In addition to that, you can set up different users in the alarm.com app, and they can all have their own notifications set up, so you can really notify as many people as need be in the event of an alarm. And even if your system doesn't have a full central station account watching it, you're still going to be able to use the alarm.com service to notify yourself and others of what's going on. Another thing that you get with the alarm.com service is you get third-party integration. The GC3 system does have a built-in Z-Wave Plus controller, and you can enroll Z-Wave devices directly to it right out of the box. It's just that the programming for them is kind of limited, and you're not going to get the full feature set without alarm.com. What alarm.com is going to allow you to do is not only remotely access and interact with your automation and Z-Wave devices, you'll have a very nice feature set where you can program them into scenes and rules, scheduled events. Alarm.com is also going to allow you to integrate third-party devices such as Nest, MyQ Garage doors, and other things made from other manufacturers that have their own kind of login and web setup. Skybell is another great example of this. There's an alarm.com Skybell that is available. This is a video doorbell that you can install right in the front door at any door that you like. And when somebody presses it and you have it linked to the alarm.com app, the video will come up of the doorbell right in your phone, right through the app. And that's the type of integration that you'll get with the alarm.com service. So if you do have a GC3 system, you can certainly use it as a local alarm system. It will work just fine for you. But if you are looking to get the full feature set from the system on the security and the automation side, you will want to get it monitored by a dealer who does have access to alarm.com, either on a full monitoring plan or on a plan that just gives you access to the remote app and to alarm.com. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to subscribe. If you want to be updated when we post future videos, hit the notification button and we'll send you an update when we do so. If you have any questions at all, head over to our website, www.alarmgrid.com. Send us an email to support@alarmgrid.com or give us a call at 888-818-7728. We hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.